In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Highlander key fob to change the internal battery. Now there are a couple different versions of this same device that have different numbers of buttons on them. You can see here there's a 6-button version, a 4-button version, there's a 3-button version. It doesn't matter which one you have. They all use the same battery, and opening it up is the same process. So don't worry, just follow along. I'm going to be opening up this one. And what they all take is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you would like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And that'll be the exact battery that you need for all of these devices. First step is just to look down here on the bottom where the key ring would attach. There's a little slot in the plastic. I'm going to take a regular flathead screwdriver, or a coin would also work, and we just want to insert in that area and twist the tool. I'm twisting my screwdriver to open this thing up. Now we can set that to the side, and we just want to push the battery out with our finger carefully. And again, that is a CR2032 battery. And when you're putting it back in, just make sure the positive side is facing up. So you want to see that plus sign looking back at you. And once you have it in there, nice and secure, it is as simple as clicking the back on there. So really easy. Again, doesn't matter which one of these it is just a very easy process. So I hope this video does help you out, and if it does, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help changing the battery in another one of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube, or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.